Hey, what's up everyone? Alex here with a quick look at the Makita HR4013C. This is their mid-weight combination rotary hammer. This has got a hammer only mode and a hammer drill mode, so two modes. 16.5 pounds is what it weighed in at. It specs for 15 pounds, but I weighed it with the handle and the depth rod and the cord on my scale that I know is accurate. I weighed this on two different scales and it came in at 16.5 pounds. It's got a 5-speed speed dial, and that works for both the hammer drill and the hammer only mode. And then this has a pretty unique lock on feature. So here's your trigger, and then if you turn it to this lock on, it pulls the trigger in, and now you can use this button to trigger on and off the hammer. So this has 8.4 foot-pounds of impact energy, which I haven't checked every combination hammer out there that is in the 1 9/16 inch range, inch and a half range. But you can look at this Bosch 1 5/8, and this has like 6.5 foot-pounds. So 8.4 is pretty good. So it's not all about the foot-pounds. Drop in your SDS-Max bits. All right, so just go right in there like that. And then to take it off, you just pull this collar back and slides right out. So nice and easy operation. This has very minimal vibration. There's a little bit of a shock absorber going on down at the bottom of the handle, but most of the magic takes place inside here. This comes with two handles. You get the straight handle that you can loosen up and spin around, and it comes with a nice D handle also. So this is good for chipping tile and thin set, etc. It'd be nice to have this. All hammers should come with a D handle. So you get a pretty nice case here, and they're going to give you some grease for your bits, and they're going to give you, again, it comes with the two handles. It all fits inside the case. There's a place here for your bits. You can put your bits in here. And I can fit all these bits in there, and all this stuff fits in there. And then it's got nice clasps. So that matters to me. Those little things matter to me. Nice round handle. So that's the case that comes with it. And you're also going to get a rag. They're going to give you a nice Makita rag, so to wipe the grease off your hands when you change your bits. And yeah, so there it is. That is the HR4013C from Makita. Nice mid-weight combination hammer. Check it out. It smells good. It smells sweet versus which the cord smells not so great, but it does get better after a month or so. It starts to wear off. You get some dust on it.